So don't mind the coughing, because I'm sick, and the mess. I'm sick. But here's what you're gonna do. All right, so first things first, and if I had more hands, I'd do this a different way. But you make your little loop in your yarn. And pull it taut. Okay? You're gonna hold this short piece back like this. So now what you're gonna do, we're gonna give this a try. Now what you're gonna do is chain. For this instance, I'm gonna chain 5. So I yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and that's a chain. Okay? To make a single crochet, you go in, it could be one, it could be front, it can be back, it could be front, it can be back, it can be both, however you want to do it. Okay? Go in, yarn over, pull through, so you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. So that's a single crochet. A half double crochet is you yarn over once, go in, pull through, so you have 3 on your loop, on your hook, pull through. Double crochet is very similar to the half double, but instead of pulling through all 3, when you pull through the first 2, and then you pull through the last 2. And don't mind the hair. Okay, so you've got your single, your half, your double. For your triple, you yarn over once, yarn over twice. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over. So now you've got where you're at with the double, yarn over, yarn over. And there you've got your triple. And every single type of stitch, a picot stitch, a V-stitch, a popcorn stitch, every stitch, these are your foundations. Chain, single, half, double, triple. These are your foundations. And you can also make a very pretty shell by doing this all in one stitch. So, to show you what that looks like, I'm gonna chain 1, flip it, and we're going to single crochet. Oh, nope. We're gonna single crochet. We're gonna half double crochet. We're going to double crochet. We're going to triple crochet. We're going to double crochet. I need my yarn, hold up. Fighting with the yarn. It's not crocheting unless you're fighting with your yarn. Then we said single, half, double, triple, double. So double. Okay. half. And then single. And then you have this shell-like arch thing that you can do. Just don't mind the other side because that was my example. So you've got your single, half, double, triple, and then you can turn it into like a shell. Those are your foundation stitches. So if you want, I've got a couple of different patterns that use those stitches. So you could do, I've got a granny square stitch that you can do. I've got amigurumi patterns that you can do. If you want to focus on one stitch at a time, I've got those options. Let me know what you want to practice. But if you can get down those stitches, and even if you do something like, it doesn't have to be a specific project, because yarn you can frog and you can undo and redo and practice. That's what I like about it, right? So it doesn't hold its shape. You can undo it, redo it. Say, for example, I decide I'm going to practice. Each row is going to be something different, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. I'll always start and always skip this stitch when you're changing rows. It helps keep things nice and crisp and pretty. So say, for example, this first row is going to be a single stitch. And you can also do that foundation chain stitch too if you really want. I don't do it because I was never taught that when I was learning. So do what you want. Literally, there's no wrong answers here. Okay. So go through here, and so that first row was singles, right? Then chain one, flip it, skip that chain one, and now do half doubles. And I just screwed up there. So it's real easy to. So yarn over, pull through all three. Yarn over, pull through all three. Yarn over, pull through all three. And if I had a better setup, I would do it. But you could just go, you could pick, you know, a certain number of chains and just make a little square. Start with one stitch and then do the next stitch and then the next type and then the next type, and just practice the different type of stitches, because once you get those foundation stitches down, then you can start learning the higher concept ones like popcorn stitches, which took me a while to learn, or the shell stitches, or really anything. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions.